Hi everyone, I'm Josemary on behalf of GenScript, and today we are interviewing iGEM Bio Brussels. So iGEM Bio Brussels, can you tell us more about your team's iGEM project?
Yeah, sure. I think I'll start. So we are the first iGEM team from our university. We're from Brussels, and we are trying to develop a biological alternative to water softening ways, because we have found that Brussels deals with a lot of hard water, and the current options for fixing it are not that great yet.
And can you tell us more about the methods you're using to develop the alternative water softener?
Sure. So we were inspired by the fact that chickens actually they build their eggs out of calcium carbonate, and calcium carbonate is what makes water hard. So we wanted to see what proteins they're using to do that, to use the calcium in their feed to build the eggs. And we have found these proteins, and we are now screening 16 different proteins in a bacterial overexpression system so that we can create a dried protein paste produced recombinantly so that we can try and use this as a way to soften the water.
And since water softening is such a wide-scale project, what kind of approach do you think your team would take if it were to be expanded, for example, on a citywide scale?
Uh, you want to go?
Yeah, okay. So we will first try to find a protein that actually does what we hope it does. And then starting from there, we will build it in a filtering system, and we will start from there to optimize the protein. We will first see how fast does it actually decalcify the water, and then see if we can maybe find a better protein, or maybe by using another type of filtering system with like recirculation, or by other manners, we'll try to optimize it.
And I think our first goal would be the household, because it's
Yes,
really
we'll start
inspired by the
small.
people, and then it's also used in businesses. So if we could scale it up for businesses, that would of course be great.
So it sounds like it would have a really great impact on an easier application it would have an easier application for household water softening and kind of uh, make it more accessible for people in the community to have. So what kind of impact do you think this could have ecologically, based on the issues that Brussels already has with the hard water?
Yeah, it's I think a really big one, because on average, I think in Brussels people put around 100 kilograms of salt down their drains every year. I'm checking. And it's heavy bags of salt that they need to go get. They're sold in 25 kilograms. So also older people, they have issues bringing the salt to their water. And also the salt, it comes into the wastewater, and it causes salination of the wastewater. And this allows like agriculture and stuff like that to deteriorate, because the salt is bad for the plants and the biodiversity that we have. So it's a big impact on that part. And also the regeneration of the current water softeners, so they're ion based, is energy and water heavy, and that would not be the case with ours. So we're reducing energy usage, we're reducing water usage, and we're trying to help in biodiversity.
So it sounds like ecologically speaking, it would have a pretty great domino effect and be very eco-friendly and energy conservative. So has your team taken any initiatives with your human practices to let your community know about how this could potentially improve the quality of their water?
I think we've definitely posted about the issues that we're facing right now with hard water, and raising awareness on how hard water can shorten lifespan of machines and which reduces energy efficiency. But really, our science communication is also focusing on teaching children about synthetic biology, teaching them that it's something they can trust, that is something they should be open to, or they would be open to, and yeah, just in a very safe way, allowing children to see that bacteria are also good things, not always bad things.
And is there anything unique about the approach your team is taking to soften the water or in the synthetic biology aspects of your project?
I think we're using fiber, so it's a scaffold that we're using that is unique to our lab. So we're actually the second application of it that has happened, and we've also uploaded it to the parts registry. So it's completely a new scaffold that's not been used before. It's a very stable one. And yeah, we're really trying to look more on the protein approach than on the living cells approach, which I mean, it looks like the newer way to do things, because the previous projects we found on water softening have been more in the living cell approach than on the actual protein approach.
And is there anything else your team wants our audience to know about your project?
I think, yeah, that we're very passionate and we really want to make it work, and we're trying everything we can. Being the first iGEM team on our university, it's definitely finding our way in the competition. But yeah, we're very excited to try and to learn, and we love synthetic biology. And our project, we're really passionate about it.
Awesome. Well, iGEM Bio Brussels, thank you so much for meeting with me and interviewing with me. On behalf of GenScript, we wish you the best of luck in the iGEM Jamboree and the best of luck in our iGEM sponsorship competition.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Oh,